Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. We got a question. Which of the following helps in transporting fatty acids across inner mitochondrial membrane for them to be utilized in mitochondria? Now, let's take this opportunity to review the rate-limiting enzymes involved in lipid metabolism before answering to the question. Let's go one by one. For fatty acid synthesis, the precursor for fatty acid synthesis is acetyl CoA. The rate-limiting enzyme is acetyl CoA carboxylase. For fatty acid oxidation, the rate-limiting enzyme is carnitine acyltransferase 1. For cholesterol synthesis, statins inhibit blood cholesterol levels by inhibiting HMG CoA reductase, which is the rate-limiting enzyme in cholesterol synthesis. For bile acid synthesis, bile acids are derived from cholesterol. Cholesterol on hydroxylation gets converted into bile acids. The rate-limiting enzyme is 7-alpha hydroxylase. For ketone body synthesis, the key enzymes are HMG CoA lyase or HMG CoA synthase. Remember, the initial steps of cholesterol synthesis and ketone body synthesis are the same up to the formation of HMG CoA. If HMG CoA reductase acts on HMG CoA, the pathway proceeds towards cholesterol synthesis. If HMG CoA lyase or HMG CoA synthase acts on HMG CoA, the pathway proceeds towards ketone body synthesis. Getting back to the question, which of the following helps in transporting fatty acids across inner mitochondrial membrane for them to be utilized in mitochondria? Fatty acids are oxidized in mitochondria. However, they cannot directly cross the inner mitochondrial membrane and require a carrier for transport. Carnitine acts as the carrier and shuttling fatty acids into mitochondria. The rate-limiting enzyme is carnitine acyltransferase 1. Therefore, option D, carnitine, is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose.